Om Shanti, 2nd June 2020. In today's Babdada's Sakar Murli, beginning with the slogan where Shiv Baba says, increase your account of elevated actions and your account of sinful actions will finish. Baba is not asking or instructing we children to focus on the sinful actions that we had performed. Instead, Shiv Baba is suggesting and inspiring we children to be indulged in elevated actions, and by that, when we increase the amount of elevated actions, by that the account of sinful actions will finish. Shiv Baba said that may you show royalty in every act you perform and word you speak with reality, and claim a right to come in the first division. To come in the first division in ordinary schools and colleges is one thing, but to come first division when it comes to behaving with people, when it comes to sitting in a gathering or being a part of a community or inspiring or motivating others, so coming in first division in such aspect is really a big thing that Shiv Baba is expecting we children to have in our lives, by saying that every action, every word of we Brahmin children has to be very, very royal. Shiv Baba said in today's Murli that you no longer go anywhere to celebrate Dashehra, etc. We don't believe in burning the effigy of Ravan anymore, because we understand that Ravan can only be burnt by remembering Shiv Baba. By understanding Ravan, we have actually understood the real aspect of burning the real Ravan. Shiv Baba also said that don't become confused about anything. Just understand that the Father is here. He is sitting in the body of Brahma Baba. Brahma Baba is the name of the soul, and he is sitting in the body that is visible to us, 2 eyes, 2 ears, etc. And Shiv Baba and Brahma Baba, both of them use the same karyot, and Shiv Baba is using that particular mouth of that karyot to convey this information to we children. This thing has to be realized. Shiv Baba says, even when you walk for an hour in remembrance, your legs will not become tired. And today Shiv Baba has suggested we children a very unique and beautiful thing, that when you wake up in Amrit Vela, you can immediately go out and for a walk. There is no point of, it is not necessary that we just remember Shiv Baba by sitting or maintaining a posture and then remembering Bab Dada. Shiv Baba says just go for a walk and count that how much you are remembering Shiv Baba, and there is no point of feeling fearful, Baba says, because it's dark in the early morning. So Shiv Baba is saying that don't feel any sort of fear around you and just walk out. You can even go to your terrace or maybe to your balcony, etc. in the remembrance of Shiv Baba, and then see the impact in your life. Shiv Baba also said that if you really want to progress, then the routine has to be really good, like beginning with a walk in the early morning. So Shiv Baba is not becoming a barrier in our duties or responsibilities that we perform. Instead, he is beautifying all of that, actually beautifying all of that. Shiv Baba also said that the whole story is of 5,000 years, and to continue to go around this story in your intellect is nothing but spinning the discus of self-realization. In Hindi, we say that Swadershan Chakra ka real meaning, the real meaning of Swadershan Chakra is nothing but to constantly churning the story of 5,000 years, that who was I, who am I today, and what I have to become again. Shiv Baba said that suppose if somebody clears a very high level examination like that of an IES exam or maybe a medical entrance, etc. So they have a very, that kind of satisfaction in themselves that yes, I was able to crack such a huge level exam or such a very high scale examination. So when we are getting enrolled in Shiv Baba's university, so we have already cleared the entrance examination, and that's why we are receiving the introduction of Shiv Baba. And now, how we are going to study in this university will decide the positions or the status that we will receive in the upcoming birth. Because as Shiv Baba said in yesterday's Murli, that you have to study as long as you live. Also, Shiv Baba said today that Rishis and Munis, even Rishis and Munis who are so much into tapasya and all that kind of hot yogas, are not aware of Shiv Baba. They are not aware of the reality and the real existence of the Supreme Father Shiv Baba. Shiv Baba also said that people more often than not, people say that India is a golden sparrow, but they don't really live in that intoxication that yes, India was golden sparrow, whereas you children are putting effort to claim the status in that golden age again. So we need to realize that what exactly the aim and purpose of getting enrolled in this university, reading or listening to Murli every day. Shiv Baba also said that it is in the intellects of we children that there was peace, happiness and prosperity, etc. in the whole world at some time ago. But that doesn't exist anymore. And now, by walking or by following Shiv Baba's directions or Srimad, we are creating the same land of absolute peace, happiness and prosperity again. Om Shanti.